BSGM and BSGM stock prediction. All I'll be doing is showing you my exact play and all the good jazz with BioSig stock, especially looking at it after this big correction, 7% down. Not that big. It's more so about the days before, you know, the 2-3 days before that. I mean, it was pumping, so sort of correcting down, nothing unusual to see. But in this particular instance, like you can see, I was the one calling it up, and on the way up I was milking it here, and that was decent. It was such a decent call out. This is a month ago. And then sort of here, like yesterday I believe I made this video, all I wanted to see is a double break to take it further up. We didn't get that, and that's fine, you know. First demand zone might not even help. Okay, so what can I control? Obviously not the price, but how can I act so I can make money? Well, it's not going to be with forcing trades. So yes, if I see a decent shift here, I'm ready to buy more. But if I don't see that shift and there's no double breaks, then bro, why the heck would I be buying? Like, it makes no sense, and all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. So this is BSGM. I have 3 results in this section. Now if you want my exact jazz and all the good stuff, click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already got enrolled, and I'll see you in the next one.